Hey, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And I'm responding to a request for frogs. Frogs are all the rage, and everybody's looking for frogs, asking me if I have frogs, and so we do. And I have tried to search for the most unique, cutest little frogs around, and I think I've done a pretty good job. We've got some with wheelbarrows and some reading books. And this cute little guy, he's a big frog. He's about 32 inches long in the little yoga pose, and you can see he's got a beautiful green, dark green body and dark brown pads and eyes and face. And he's made to look rustic. He's got a little patina there all over him, so he's made to look old. Every frog, of course, will look different and be different, but he's super cute for the garden. And he's got that magnesium finish, so he is ready to put outside and enjoy. He'd be cute on the patio or out in the flower garden, but just a cool color and just a nice size, you know, big enough to make a statement. So be sure and check out all of our frogs and all of our toads on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. Happy gardening.